Hello everyone. So today again let's begin with the next topic, that is internal structure of prime dicot stem and monocot stem. Okay. So as you can see in the picture itself, this is the structure of or anatomy of a dicot stem of sunflower. So here we are getting different types of tissues or cells. So first tissue that we are observing is the epidermal cells. So epidermis, which are barrel shaped or rectangular cells, these are present in the outer line. Okay, they are protective in function as they are outside or forming the boundary, so they are protecting the internal tissues. Moreover, they are covered by an cuticle layer which checks excessive transpiration. Okay, now these are normally interrupted by stomata in the young stems. Okay, now moreover, some multicellular hairs are also present in the epidermal region. That means these are epidermal appendages. So the epidermis is not continuous, interrupted by stomata, consists of cuticle plus multicellular hairs. Now these epidermal cells are normally parenchymatous. Okay, so definitely they will help in storage of food, and plus they will also provide protection against the pathogenic activity. So they will not allow the pathogens to enter into the internal tissues. Followed by the epidermis is the hypodermis cells. Hypodermis, these are immediately formed next to the epidermis and they are made up of collenchyma cells. Okay, they have thick tangential walls, and they also, some cells contain chloroplast, so definitely they can help in performing photosynthesis. They provide flexibility and mechanical strength to the particular plant. They store food, etc. Next to it is the ground tissue system, this general cortex portion. Okay, so general cortex, here all the cells are parenchymatous. They are compactly arranged cells. They contain chlorophyll. They are chlorenchymatous cells. They some parts also contains oil duct also. Their main function is to store food, manufacture food due to presence of chlorophyll. Okay, and also they are responsible for production of secretory materials like oil and latex. Next to the general cortex is the endodermis. This is similar to that of epidermis only. Okay, these cells are also barrel shaped. They are also known as the starch sheet, and these endodermis layer, it contains passage cells. That means which will allow substances to pass through it. Okay, their main function is storage function. Then next comes the pericycle layer. So pericycle, it may be 4 to 5 layered. It constitutes the hard bust, okay, sclerenchymatous patches. These provide mechanical strength, plus they store food and help in lateral conduction. Then comes the vascular tissues. So when we are talking about vascular tissues, here the vascular bundle is conjoined collateral open. That means the phloem is towards the outer side, xylem towards the inner side, and in between cambium is present. Okay, again you see the metaxylem, they are lying towards the upper part, and protoxylem towards the inner part. Okay, so the vascular bundles are arranged properly, uniformly in one ring, and they consist of conjoined collateral open type of vascular bundle. Okay, now you can also see this diagram. This is more clear. Here you can see all the vascular bundles are arranged in a ring form and they are surrounded by multicellular hairs. Okay. Here, as the protoxylem is towards the inner part, metaxylem towards the outer part. So this is the exact type of xylem. Okay, vascular tissue. So after this vascular bundle, we come to the next part, that is the medullary rays, which are actually strands connecting the pith and the pericycle. Okay, it is a intermediate portion. Then next is the pith, consisting of parenchyma cells which stores food and water. So these are the all different parts of the dicot stem. After this we come to the monocot stem. So here you can see it is completely a different type. Okay, and that means the vascular bundle is somewhat different. So first we get the epidermis. Similarly, it is single layered barrel shaped. It consists of stomata, Okay, outer cuticle is present, followed by hypodermis, thick wall cells. Then it is followed by the ground tissue, compactly arranged cells, which provide turgidity to the soft tissues. They also help in photosynthesis and storage of food. Then next to it is the vascular strand. These are conjoined collateral closed. That means here cambium tissue is not present. Okay, cambium is present only in case of dicot, not in monocots. Now here the protoxylem is present. Okay, metaxylem is present, and here the arrangement is endark type. That means the protoxylem inside, metaxylem outside. So this is an endark type of arrangement. Okay, so both in stem we get endark xylems, and in roots only we get exarch one. Okay, so this is the comparative structure between, or anatomical differences between, monocot and dicot root. Okay, now if you see the diagrammatic view, so you can see here the vascular bundles are not arranged in one ring, but they are arranged in several rings. Okay, not like that of the dicot root. In dicot only one ring is there, but in monocot several rings are present. Okay, so go through the points properly, the diagrams, study the diagrams properly, compare them. If you have any problem, then let me know.